Which is better for beginners, affiliate marketing or dropshipping? Honestly, most people are better off starting off with affiliate marketing, and here's why. When it comes to affiliate marketing, your only job is to bring in leads and bring in sales that the offer owner couldn't get by themselves. All right, quick example. Pretend I am selling a course on communication and persuasion, and my market is business people, so people who need to make sales and do deals. But I also want to get into the dating and relationship market because that is also another form of persuasion and communication. I would not be able to easily reach that market because that is not my niche. But if I have affiliates who are in that niche and they have email lists and they already have the audience, then I'm basically paying them to be able to reach a new audience for me for that same offer. So as an affiliate, your only role is to bring in sales and get new traffic. You don't need to worry as much about the tech stack. You don't need to worry about fulfillment. You don't need to worry about processing refunds. Also, don't have to worry about shipping. You don't have to worry about having a domain, your email blast. You don't have to worry about all this stuff. Some of it can help as extra, like email blast, but you aren't required to do it. Being an affiliate is much simpler because all you have to do is figure out how to sell a product that is already being fulfilled for you. So you don't have to do that hard work. The only reason that I personally think that dropshipping is a worse option for beginners is because you will have to deal with the tech stack. You will have to learn Shopify. You will have to learn Klaviyo. You will have to learn how to do shipping, how to get suppliers. You will have to learn how to do currency conversions or get the apps for them. It's a lot more hassle. There's a lot more work involved. You will have to run ads to your store anyway, whether it's organic or paid, or you're going to have to find some way to get eyeballs on your dropshipping store on top of having to create the offer, do the research. It's more work. You're building from the ground up. It's basically affiliate marketing with extra steps. Look, I get that dropshipping sounds great because it sounds more passive, but that's usually only true once you're getting a good return on ad spend. When your CPAs, your cost per acquisition, so your cost to get a customer, is lower than you're actually spending on your paid ads, which if you're doing dropshipping, you're most likely going to have to turn the paid ads if you want to scale. Now compare that to affiliate marketing where someone else is handling most of this stuff for you. And if you want to just start with free organic traffic, you can do that. And there's no cost to you, unlike with a dropshipping store where you're paying monthly for the service or you're paying monthly for different services. And if you have questions or want me to elaborate, follow and comment.